Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious white gravy kofta. First, gather your kofta ingredients, such as 1 pound of ground chicken or lamb, a 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs, and a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Combine everything well in a bowl. Then, form about 12 to 15 kofta balls, each roughly 1.5 inches in size. Cook them by lightly frying or baking until they are golden brown and firm. Now, let's build that luscious white gravy base. Begin by gently sautéing 1 medium-sized onion, finely chopped, with 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste in 2 tablespoons of butter. Add a few whole green cardamoms and cloves for an aromatic foundation. Then, incorporate a smooth paste made from a 1/4 cup of soaked cashews and 1/2 cup of plain yogurt. Cook this mixture over medium-low heat for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring constantly until it thickens beautifully. With our base ready, it's time to develop the gravy's full flavor. Slowly pour in 1 cup of warm milk or a 1/2 cup of heavy cream, stirring continuously to achieve a silky smooth consistency. Season generously with 1.5 teaspoons of salt, a 1/2 teaspoon of white pepper, and a small pinch of sugar to balance the taste. Let the gravy simmer gently for about 8 to 10 minutes, allowing all the wonderful flavors to combine perfectly. For the grand finale, carefully place your prepared kofta balls into the simmering white gravy. Let them gently cook together for about 5 minutes, allowing the kofta to fully absorb all the rich, creamy flavors. Before serving, garnish your exquisite dish with a sprinkle of fresh, chopped cilantro, or a delicate swirl of heavy cream for an extra touch of elegance. Serve this delightful white gravy kofta hot with fluffy basmati rice or warm naan bread for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.